Good morning this time. So this is for a review of PianoForAll.com. So it's quite interesting here. It's got, if you want more info on it, you can email them info@PianoForAll.com. So this is if you want to learn the piano. So it's on YouTube. A few videos about it. So it seems a good one. And it is hosted by ClickBank, so if you thought it wasn't good, then up to 60 days you'll get the refund back. So this is just a homepage now. Anyone can learn piano, keyboard rather. It's good call to action. So what that means is a button you press. Wait, it's got the pop-up, so that's have that in my own business. Save 20% off. So that's probably having this sort of bit in the page gets them 20% sales more than if they didn't. So here's testimonials. The thing with that is it's not that they're false or anything like that, but sometimes people are just putting it on, but I just kind of really um, just watch out for that one. But I'm not saying it's false with them, but it may just be put on and it's not. But we go into the product and see what it does is I think more important. So the perfect solution. One thing I don't like is it's not got a video. Perhaps it should like show someone, perhaps going through the different skill sets and which some other products do. Um, which I think really should have like a bit of the course or whatever. But anyway, the perfect solution to your needs. And it's talking about like, how it's so difficult to learn to play the piano. And here's some of the benefits of it, that you'll get to sound like a pro right from the very start. The way professional musicians are trained from these methods. You learn to read music as well. So with them, you can teach anyone to play the piano. So it's not you need the professional mindset or skill set rather. So it's $49, but then you're getting 20% off it. So it will come down a wee bit for you as well. And here are some of the questions that people ask. Think, oh, should I really get this? Here's some, how long before I sound good? So you can look at them yourself, and then you've got the order button. Again, order piano for all. So, and it comes up with that again. Of course, and there's ClickBank, 60-day refund if you're not happy, and then it's showing here that you can do this on PC, Mac, Android, tablet. Also, you don't need to be online. There's PDF as well. So you get great support, save money, time and effort, and it's an affordable price. And then you just download it as well. And then here's come to save 30% off, so it's going up all the time. So, and then if you're still unsure about it, then you can contact them, and they've got their email there, so you can copy and paste that as well. So we'll just come out of that once more. Delete this. And then when you have purchased the product, you can log in and then get started. And that's it. So do recommend if you're looking for this. I imagine you are if you're typing this in YouTube. But also if you're looking to start an online business, which isn't music related, something really special, then take a look at that. And we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.